Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will share to you about my final project for a desktop and embedded programming course, which is to create an attendance app in desktop platform. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Nanda Arya Putra. I'm from UIN Sunan Kalijaga, Yogyakarta, and my with name 211060500048. And maybe first I will explain about the architecture I use, or maybe for build this attendance app. This is the GitHub repository that I use to store the project. Maybe I can share the project in the description. First, I use IDE Visual Studio, which is common to IDE for build desktop application, and I use C Sharp programming language and .NET framework and Windows Form template, which is to help me easily build this attendance app. And then I use local database and server, which is using SAM, because need a long time if I want to build online database. And then I use a local database and server SAM. And maybe I will explain a little about the user roles in this application, which is three roles. First, admin, which is the highest user role, with feature login with secure credential, secure password with hash, add, edit, and delete attendance, add, edit, delete event, add, edit, delete accounts, view all attendance, event, and users data, export attendance, event, users records to Excel. And then we have the second user roles, which is an operator, with feature login with secure credential, view, create, modify, delete attendance, like. And then the third user roles, which is participant, with feature login, record their attendance, view their attendance, will all event. And this is maybe the showcase little about the user interface. I will explain about it in the source code maybe. Maybe will show the source code in Visual Studio. This is the code. We have login form, admin window, operator window, participant window, manage event window, manage attendance window, and manage account window. First, maybe I will explain about a little about login. This is the common login feature. We have email and password for login, and we have a show password feature, which is we can turn on and or turn off to show the password. Maybe I will start the project. This is maybe I will start type. I will log in as a participant. We use this account. Maybe I will share this account in description. Nah, this is the account login for participant user roles. I will show you. This is show password feature to hide and show the password. And if we click in, login success, and show the role participant, and OK, will show the dashboard participant with the name, email, role, and attendance data. You can see, and then events data, and from here you can see the events that will happen, or the location and the date and time. and then you can see the schedule in date and time and location. And now I will show you about the operator. We use operator gmail.com. This is the account for operator user roles. I will show you login success role operator. Okay, this is the operator dashboard, and with this feature add attendance, edit attendance, and delete attendance. Maybe I will show you. First we type the name. I think we type my name and ID event you can find it in this events data, this ID. Maybe I will use the 3 ID. And status, you can choose the status hadir, telat, izin, or absent. I will say hadir. And if I click this button, add, the data will be recorded and show in attendance data table in here. Yeah, this is, yeah, attendance is successfully added. And then I will try to edit my attendance. We see IT attendance, you can see in here, IT in attendance data table. I will change the IT of had previous that I try. I will change the status from hadir to maybe telat. And if I click this button, this hadir status will change to telat. Yes. And then I will try about delete attendance feature, which is the feature to delete attendance. And we use the IT attendance too. I will delete maybe the first, maybe I will delete the 6 ID. And if I click this delete button, this record will be deleted. Yeah, I think it's enough. And now I will explain about the admin user roles. We use admin@gmail.com with password admin. Login success. Nah, in the admin user roles, we have many features than the other user roles. So I put the feature into the 3 main feature, which is manage account, manage event, and manage attendance. In this dashboard, I saw name, email, and role, and of course the logout button. Maybe we should try the manage account. Nah, it is the view. Maybe I will try to add account. We try a test, maybe satu with the email, maybe with test at gmail.com. And role, I will try to give the operator role, and password maybe just a simple password test. Add user bisa ditambahkan, and then the new account will be displayed in the table, and you can see here the password is saved, not raw password, but inform hash. The password convert to hash with the function in code before save to the local database, so the password will be secure and safe. And maybe I will try to edit we use ID account, I will edit the previous account we created, and then maybe I will edit the name, yeah, and the email maybe I will change, and role maybe I will change from operator to participant, and the password maybe I will set the same password, and you can see it will be changed. User berhasil edit, yes, Nanda, yeah, participant. And now I will explain about the delete account. You just need to fill the ID account and click, it will be deleted. And now I will explain about the export data. This is the unique feature. You can click and export the data from the account data and will be directed to the Microsoft Excel with the data. You can see this is the data from accounts data table, and from this you can do whatever you want with this data. Maybe you can save to your personal computer. Maybe you want to save to another format like CSV or maybe a PDF. This is the flexible way to export data to convert export to Microsoft Excel. Maybe this is enough. I will explain the next feature, which is manage event. This is the similar event. I will maybe try the add event. Maybe I will try was location. Maybe for the date. Maybe I will set the 12 time. You can set here. Maybe 9 p.m. and you can add click. This is the new data, and if you want to edit, you just need the ID event. Maybe I will edit the previous data I add in the table. From here you can change the data. Maybe I will change from was to maybe I change to final project, and location I will change to 401. Maybe date I will change to 10 January, and time maybe I will change to 10 a.m. If I edit, this data will be changed. You can see with 1, 2, 3. Final project, yes. And then we can delete event with using the ID event. And now I will try to delete the previous data. I will delete the 7 this data, and if we click, the data will disappear. And now maybe, oh yeah, I will explain how when we add we click the button but the data is not filled. I will show this is the message box will be appear when the data is not complete or some data is missing, and this in every yes. And now I will explain about you about the last feature in this application, which is a manage attendance. In this manage attendance, this feature is the same feature in operator user calls, but maybe a little different, like the appearance or the UI a little bit different, but the feature is literally the same. Maybe I will try to add some new attendance, and in this you can choose the event from the combo box. I will choose the mobile programming. Maybe I will try to ease in and add and will display in here. And now I will try to edit the data. I will edit the new data. You- I will edit the status to hadir. It will be changed to hadir. And now I will try to delete the account by using the IT. I will delete the last data and the data will be deleted. And yes, this export data is uh, functional and is using the Microsoft Excel like the previous export data, the same feature like the before, but the difference is the data that we export. And with this Microsoft Excel, you can do whatever you want with this data. But I think it's enough. I think I use yes. I I was explain all about the feature, and then I maybe it's a little bit, maybe in the future if I have the time, or maybe I can have the spirit to learn the desktop. Maybe I will develop further this application. Maybe I will create a better UI and add the schedule notification feature, because I don't know how to create it now. And maybe I will add the feature to participant user to add additional information to their accounts. But now I think this is the end. Thank you for watching my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I forgot to explain about the local database. I'm sorry. And now I will explain a little bit about the table and database. Uh, I use, I was explain to you. I use the same, and then for the database, I use the local database, which is uh, I manage in PHP My Admin SQL. The database name is attendance app, which is contain three tables. The first table is attendance table, which is table to store the attendance data, and then we have events table, which is an, a table to contain to store the events data, and then the last table is user table, which is a table to store the user or account data. And I will show you. Maybe I will show. Yes. Uh, in the attendance table, we have ID, name, event, date, time, and status. Which is ID, name, event is string, date is date time, and time is time format, and status is string format. And I will explain about the events table. In events table, we have ID, event, location, date, and time. ID event location is string format, and date is date format, and then time is time format. You can see here. And the last table is a user table. We have ID, name, email, password, and role. ID, name, email, password, and role. All of them is in string format. But you can see the password is not a literal string. This is a string built from the convert from hash using hash. So we cannot see the actual password of each account. This is the secure.
method to store the password. Uh, I think that's all. Thank you very much for watching my video explaining my final project. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.